Hi, my little darlings. Oh gosh, I sure love you. So I am extremely excited to share this book with you. It's lots more farmyard tales. And look, they're in a tent and there's a cow poking his head in. That looks like a fun adventure. Let's find out what happens. The first story is called A Snowstorm. So if you've ever been somewhere where there's snow, you will know what it's like when there's a snowstorm. Sometimes when there's a snowstorm, you can build a snowman. And don't forget, we're looking for our little duck friend in each picture. See if you can find him. Here we are. This is Apple Tree Farm. This is Mrs. Boots the farmer, and she has two children called Poppy and Sam, and a dog called Rusty. In the night, there was a big snowstorm. In the morning, it is still snowing. You must wrap up warm, says Mrs. Boots to Poppy and Sam. Did you see the little duck? He's right there. Ted works on the farm. He helps Mrs. Boot look after the animals. He gives them food and water every day. I can't see the duck, can you? Oh, there it is. Come and help me, calls Ted. Where are you going, says Poppy. I'm taking this hay to the sheep, says Ted. Now, where's our little duck hiding? Can you see? Oh, there he is. Poppy and Sam pull the hay. They go out of the farmyard, with Ted, and they walk to the gate of the sheep field. Where are the sheep, says Sam. They're all covered with snow, says Ted. Oh, we'll have to find them, says Poppy. And while we're finding the sheep, can we find our little duck friend? Do you see him? They brush the snow off the sheep. Poppy and Sam give each sheep lots of hay. They have got nice warm coats, says Sam. Poppy counts the sheep. There are only 6 sheep. One is missing, says Poppy. It's that naughty Woolly, says Ted. Oh, where do you think Woolly the sheep is? Remember Woolly was on the train track? Let's find out. They look for Woolly. They walk around the snowfield. Rusty, good dog, find Woolly, calls Sam. Find the little duck, says Grandma. Rusty runs across the field. Ted, Poppy, and Sam run after him. Rusty barks at the thick hedge. Ted looks under the hedge. Can you see anything, says Sam. Can you see anything, kids? Yes, Woolly is hiding there. Clever Rusty, says Ted. And look, there's the ducks hiding over there. So we've got a sheep here and a little duck up there in the corner. Come on, Woolly. Let me help you out, old girl, says Ted. And carefully he pulls Woolly out of the hedge. Oh, where is that duck gone? Oh, there's something else. Look, I can see something moving, says Sam. What is it, Ted, says Poppy. Let's look. What is it? There's something else moving in there. What do you think it is? Ted lifts out a tiny lamb. Oh, Woolly has had a lamb, he says. We'll take it and Woolly to the barn. They'll be warm there. Oh, look how cute. It's a little baby. I love little baby sheep. They're so cute. Poppy rides home. She holds the lamb. Oh, what a surprise, she says. Good old Woolly. Let's look at that cute little baby sheep. Oh, that's fun.